Hi friends, it's Liz here. I couldn't wait to show you these until I had a project made. So I wanted to show them to you first. I will leave links in the description box below to everything I'm showing you. And I've got something fun if you wait till the end of the video. This is my latest haul for Inloveartshop. If you watch my channel, you know I love their stuff. I will leave links to what I'm showing you here in the description box below. Okay, let me show you what I got. I am so excited. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to purchase is this stamp set because I noticed that it comes with a die set. Now, how cute is this, my friends? So you've got all these little stamps. You got this cute little embroidery hoop. And then the little stamps here, they look like you've got faux stitching, right? So if you stamp this on your paper, it will look like you've been stitching or sewing. The next one I wanted to show you, and I'm sure you can guess the theme, is this set with the sewing machine and all the other little pieces like this button, which I think will be so useful to, to have some die cut buttons once I've gotten through that. The next one I'm excited about is this one here, which is again sewing themed as far as I'm concerned. And it is a die cut that gives you the little stitch effect on your paper. So you can see here the different designs. I'm interested in like a couple of them, like the two in the center here that end up looking like a little stitch that has gone through the paper. So I'll be trying those out as well. And then I got so excited about it. This little set here is like, of course, a summer theme with a little watering can and the flowers. So I can't wait to use this one as well. And I can't wait to show you the ideas that I'm coming up with. The next one is this, and of course now I forgot the name of them. My brain. As you all may know, I'm still recovering after surgery, so my brain's a little foggy headed still, but you know what this is. It'll come to me. It will, I promise you. Halfway through this video, I'll yell it out. The next one I wanted to check out is this little rainbow with the clouds, and it's got a lot of different little clouds in it. I thought this would be really nice with this additional one to make like a little, maybe a little greeting card. But what I want to ask you is, what you would think I should make with some of these pieces. So I'll give you more details about that. It's going to be fun. I'm celebrating the month of June on my channel, so stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll give you more details as we go along. This is another one that I wanted to try with the little die cut. And the tea set, look at the tiny little, the little tag for your tea bag. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this. And the macaroon on the bottom, oh my gosh. When I saw it, I had to have it. And then this set I think will be so useful for so many things. And let me tell you, us junk journal makers are going to really need this one. I'm telling you right now. It has the little die cuts for the tags, okay? But it also has the little stamp for the ticket. You can see it there. And then you've got your little sentiments, your happy birthday, plus admit one, if you can see it there. So I think that's going to be super useful in our crafty projects. Okay, here's what I want to ask you. Leave a comment below. Let me know some suggestions on what you think I should make with these projects. The person that I pick that gives me the best idea on what to make with some of these pieces, and there could be several of you that win, I'm not sure, I am going to do a little happy mail sent out to you. So I will be announcing the winner once I've made the project and decided what I'm making with it. So stay tuned for those videos. It will be something fun that I'll be sharing with you. Let me know where you're watching me from, because this will give me an idea as to what I can make or what I can send to the winner. I think this is going to be exciting. I think this is going to be new on my channel. I'm hoping to get inspired by your suggestions. Don't forget to leave that comment below and let me know what you think I should be making. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you know the types of things I enjoy making. I was considering, some things, but I'm not going to share them yet. So let me know what you think I should do. If I pick you as the winner, I will let you know when I make the video showing you what I've made. All right. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.